Google Ads in USA
Using Google
and its
Ads
benefits
in the USA can offer several
targeted
benefits,
advertising,
including
Google Ads allows you to target specific demographics, locations, and interests, helping you reach a highly relevant audience. Measurable results. You can track the performance of your ads in real time, allowing for quick adjustments to improve effectiveness and maximize ROI. Flexible budgeting. Google Ads provides flexibility in budgeting, allowing you to set your daily or monthly spending limits based on your advertising goals. Wide reach. Google is the most popular search engine in the USA, and Google Ads can help your business or product get visibility across a vast online audience. Pay-per-click PPC model. With a PPC model, you only pay when users click on your ads, ensuring that you're spending money on actual engagement rather than just impressions. Ad extensions. You can enhance your ads with extensions like site links, callouts, and location information, providing more detailed information to potential customers. Keyword targeting. You can bid on specific keywords related to your business, ensuring your ads appear when users search for relevant terms. Remarketing. Google Ads enables you to target users who have previously visited your website, keeping your brand in front of potential customers. Remember, the effectiveness of Google Ads depends on factors like campaign setup, targeting, and ad quality. It's essential to continually optimize your campaigns for the best results. Targeted advertising. Google Ads allows businesses to target specific demographics, locations, and interests, ensuring ads reach the most relevant audience. Cost control. Advertisers can set budgets and bids, giving them control over their advertising expenses and ensuring cost-effectiveness. Instant visibility. Google Ads provides immediate visibility in search results, allowing businesses to quickly reach potential customers when they search for relevant keywords. Measurable results. Detailed analytics and reporting tools enable advertisers to track the performance of their campaigns, providing insights into clicks, conversions, and return on investment ROI. Keyword customization. Advertisers can select specific keywords related to their products or services, ensuring their ads appear when users search for those terms. Ad extensions. Google Ads allows the addition of extensions, such as location information, phone numbers, and site links, enhancing the visibility and appeal of ads. Mobile optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices, Google Ads provides options to target users on smartphones and tablets, ensuring a broad reach. Remarketing. Advertisers can target users who have previously visited their website, increasing the likelihood of conversion by reminding them of products or services